Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So 7 divided by 14, then 7 multiply 14. Okay, so we can write this question like 7 divided by 14, then divide in the second parenthesis 7 multiply 14. Okay, now let's solve this problem by using a PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division, fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so is equal to, first we have to solve this part, this parenthesis. Okay, 7 divided by 14, so we can write as 7 upon 14 divide, now 7 multiply 14 is equal to 7 multiply 98. Okay, so 7 divided by 7 is equal to 1, 14 divided by 7 is equal to 2. So 1 upon 2 divide 98. Now according to KCF rule, K means keep this 1 by 2 as it is same. C means change the sign from division to multiplication. F means flip this last fraction, 98 is equal to 1 by 98. Okay. So 98 multiply 2. 1 multiply 1 is equal to 1, and 98 multiply 2 is equal to 196. Okay, so the correct answer is 1 upon 196. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.